Arriving at federal court in Washington, Michael Flynn ignored shouted questions by reporters. Inside, moments later, the former national security advisor to President Donald Trump pled guilty to lying to the FBI. Court documents show the charges against Flynn stem from his lying about efforts to obtain advanced knowledge of how foreign governments might vote on a UN Security Council resolution about Israel, as well as phone conversations Flynn had before Trump was even sworn in as president with the former Russian ambassador to the United States, Sergei Kislyak. Flynn is said to have suggested to Kislyak sanctions put in place against Russia by the Obama White House may be dropped once Trump was sworn in.
They did not discuss anything having to do with the United States' decision to expel diplomats or impose a censure against Russia.
Flynn's lies to the vice president about that phone call led to his dismissal after just 3 weeks in office. In a statement, Trump's lawyer said Flynn's false claims mirror the false statements to White House officials, which resulted in his resignation in February of this year. Nothing about the guilty plea or the charge implicates anyone other than Mr. Flynn. But his plea, in fact, may directly tie the Oval Office to the investigation by special counsel Robert Mueller and whether or not the Trump campaign worked with Russia.
This suggests that Mr. Flynn has more information to provide about other things the White House has lied about, other things the president himself may have lied about, and whether or not the White House, including the president himself, colluded with Russia.
Flynn is the fourth Trump associate to be charged, but without question, the highest profile. According to the former FBI Director James Comey, Trump once asked him to drop the case against Flynn. And despite claims by the president's lawyer, Flynn's cooperation with the FBI probe shows that Mueller's investigation is escalating and could lead to charges against an even bigger target, including the President of the United States. Kimberly Halkett, Al Jazeera, Washington.